Happy Wednesday, y'all. So we're going to continue our conversation on consolidation and breakout scans. Today we're going to be focusing on breakouts once again, but this time instead of looking at them on a large volume, we're going to be looking at those that have had a breakout when they just came from a downtrend. So this one's actually going to be pretty simple. It's going to be a short video, but let's go ahead and get started. And the reason I say that is because it uses actually a predefined indicator that StockCharts provides. It can't be adjusted, but it works pretty well. So let's go ahead. And so for here, you're going to look for today's close. And we're looking at 10% greater. That's just like, that you can adjust that obviously, but I'm looking at today's close to be greater than yesterday's close times 10%, which is 1.10. Okay, and we just want, and the downtrend, very straightforward. Forgot the bracket. And downtrend is true. Right, so the reason the caution signs there is you don't need to have today, but I like to do it just because if I were to take it off, for example, you'll see that it goes away. Right, so we'll go ahead and run this scan, and it shows us 154 results. So let's look at AURI, for example. And if you look here, you'll see that it just came from a downtrend and it's moving upward now. It went up 19.5%, but this is a penny stock. So let's look at another one. So let's adjust this here. The close. So let's look at EAR, Ergo. All right. And so you can see that it just came from a downtrend and it is moving upward at 10, almost 11%, right? So definitely use your other indicators. We'll do one more. Let's look at Moderna. It's pretty relevant. So Moderna is same thing. It came from a downtrend and now it is moving upward. It went up 10.87% today. So really helpful in finding breakouts that and if you look, if you adjust it to, let's say 5%, right, you might catch an uptrend at an earlier point in time. So let's try that. So let's try 5%. And let me adjust the closing prices so we don't get penny stocks. All right, and let's look at one that's not. Let's look at Novax. So NVAX. And you'll see here that it is 5%. It is a lesser amount of percent increase. But you could use this in combination with the MACD crossover or something like that to find stocks that are getting ready to break out. So hope this was helpful, y'all. Let me know what you think.